My name is Ashton Morris, and today we're going to be making some anime punch sounds, some old school movie or kung fu punch sounds with just white noise, a sine sweep, some EQ, and some saturation and distortion. And to sweeten it up, we'll add a little whoosh. Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm going to start off with some bright white noise from Serum. Let's get this from in here. It sounds like this. And then I'm going to take our envelope and make it a lot shorter. So the decay here is 185 milliseconds. That sounds like this. The second element is a sine sweep. So we have a basic sine with envelope 2 ringing out just a little bit longer. And what we're going to do is take envelope 1, drag it onto the coarse pitch, create a little bit of a laser sound, but make it a lot more dramatic. Right? So we have like an old school electronic kick drum sound. Then we're going to re-engage the noise, and they both sound like this. Then we'll go into Decapitator, which is a saturation plugin or distortion plugin. And I'm going to raise it up a little bit, add some harmonics, and then we're going to punish it. All of a sudden, you're getting some good kicks and punches. And then what we're going to do is add an EQ before the saturation plugin and create a nice little peak around, I think 15K was good here. So then you got some good punches. You can go higher for a slap. How dare you? A regular Indiana Jones punch. You do a kick. I think a kick you would get rid of some of that noise. Then if you add some whooshes beforehand. Now the best way to get a good whoosh is to buy a wooden dowel from the hardware store and record it. And get yourself a nice little scenario like this. You could just adjust the whoosh whether you want it right on it, which is good, or kung fu a little bit before. Now, if you don't have Decapitator or a distortion plugin, you can use the saturation in Serum or whatever you have, and the EQ. I'll show you what that sounds like. It doesn't have as much grit or bite, but it could work. You can use the internal one in your synth. So right here, we just put a little bell, and we put some gain up here. So it sounds like that. And then you can turn on tube, distortion, crank the drive all the way up, and take it from off to pre, so it has kind of a filter effect here. And there you go.